Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see hidden or unknown callers on iPhone. So guys, if you receive any hidden or unknown calls and you are unable to see them because there is no number for this caller ID, as you can see this, and you want to see the unknown callers on iPhone or the hidden callers on your iPhone, here you can see this. If someone calls from unknown caller ID and you are unable to see the number or see the information, here I will show you how can you track them. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply open App Store and search for Truecaller app. So I simply search for Truecaller, and then you have to simply download and install this Truecaller premium caller ID on your iPhone. So guys, simply download and install this, and after this open this app, and with the help of this app you will be able to see all the hidden or unknown callers on your iPhone. So guys, you can see this, you can easily get the information regarding hidden or unknown callers on your iPhone. So guys, you have to simply go to settings, and then you have to simply set this Truecaller as your calling app, and with the help of this app you will be able to see all the caller IDs on your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.